And also in that year I met Frank Robinson, and great man Frank, and we did all sorts of exciting things together, but we were his first overseas dealer, and in 1979 they got the type approval from the FAA in America, and in 1979 we had the first Robinson they ever exported. Quite well with them too. I've just looked up some numbers. In 1988 we sold 68 new Robinsons, and we were buying more than 25% of their production. And we averaged, it says here, I must believe it, must be true, I wrote it. It says we averaged 40 a year for 5 years. So we've now sold over 500. Then we were approached by Augusta, and that was in '95, and they were just producing a new helicopter called the 109E Power, and from the specs of that it looked as though that was going to make up for what the previous 109 didn't do. And we signed up with them. We've been their distributor now for 26 years. We've sold, it's very nearly 100. When we deliver some next year that we've already got sold, it will be over 100. We've done a few other things since then. We started in the air ambulance field in 1999, where General Morley, who's here somewhere, I can't see him now, but he instigated that. Thank you, David, for that. We now run 5 or 6 air ambulances, including one in the Republic of Ireland, and I would be very surprised if we don't announce some new ones very shortly, but I can't say more than that. We've also looked after, for the MOD 32, the Royal Squadron, for the past, what should I say here, 15 years. And I saw they very kindly brought Z100 in, and we provide them with one 109SB and a backup as well.
Thanks to the enthusiasm, the professionalism, and the friendship that you have created in the last decades, if we are here today to celebrate the success of our products, it's only because of you.
All of a sudden we blink and it's been 50 years. But it really has been a partnership of working together with excellent companies like Sloane Helicopters throughout the years. And when you start looking at some of the deliveries that Sloane has taken, when they took number 18 of the 22, they also took the 500, they also took the thousands. And as we go on with all the aircraft, Sloane has been there every step of the way. And it's really been phenomenal. They have showed us things and how to market and sell the helicopter and how to do proper training here in England. And we are so blessed to have had that partnership.
So yeah, delighted to see you here, and if we can have a little toast then please to the next 25 years and to the helicopter companies in this country, and prosperity to you all. Thank you very much.